Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Amazon Associates and affiliate marketing via Amazon. If you buy something through our links, we may earn money from our affiliate partners. Learn more. Amazon is no doubt one of the world's most famous online marketplace, but the companies also offer an opportunity to some small business owners, particularly online marketers. The platform offers the well-known Amazon affiliate program. Affiliate program to go. The Amazon affiliate program can beat in the term of access and share size according to the Business Insider. Amazon's valuations of $356 billion is larger than Walmart, Target, Best Buy, Maxi, Kohl, JC Penney, and the Sears combined. Amazon generated 177 billion in revenue in 2017, a net income growth of 27%, making the largest one retailer in the world. This type of scale makes the Amazon affiliate program attractive to small business and marketplace and the make Amazon associates and each Amazon affiliate part of global marketplace. Whether it is a small business looking to take advantages of Amazon affiliate program or individual Amazon associates, there are many opportunities to generate revenue. When you become an Amazon affiliate member, you have access to range on tools including analytics and marketing to ensure you can maximize your earning potential. Amazon Associates, the Amazon Local Associate Program, which was expanded last year, gave a local business and individuals more ways they can increase their revenue. Amazon Associates with websites or other digital presence can make recommendations on items sold by the Amazon. It is not only introduce a new way to engage with the customer but also creates an opportunity to get an affiliate fee with qualifying purchase. With an inventory of more than 1 million products, order fulfillment, delivery, return, and customer service, the Amazon affiliate program may an attractive way to start a business or enhance the capability of your current company. But first, you need to become an Amazon affiliate. How to become an Amazon affiliate interested? Here's a step-by-step process on how to you can become an Amazon affiliate. Log into Amazon affiliate area. Start by scrolling the bottom of Amazon page. You are looking for become an affiliate link that should lead you to splash page with lots of information about Amazon affiliate program. Click to join now button and get started. Submit personal website details from the looks long, but it is pretty too easy to fill out. Just add your personal details in the section. This will be your official profile, so please make sure information is correct. You will then be asked to add website details of course most of affiliate programs if not all are interested in how much traffic you get. Next, fill in your profile. This will include things like your preferred store ID, how you would build links, how to drive traffic to your website, among these things. Verify your identity. In order to verify your identity, Amazon asks for a phone number which they use to make an automated phone call. When you enter your phone number in the PIN number appearance on the screen, the automated call will ask you to verify the PIN number. It is that simple. Choose how you want to be paid. It is in this last step Amazon welcome to you your associate program. It is at this point that you can choose how you want to be paid or do it later. But why should you? Here are your payment options. Check 50 processing fee, travel, international associates, Amazon gift card, direct deposit not available in international associates. Congrats. Thank you for applying for the Amazon Associate Program degree. Once you complete the registration, the process of Amazon will give you access to their associate platform where you will able to get affiliate links for their products. As you get into affiliate marketing, it is important that you disclose all your affiliate links. Makes them no follow wondering why. Here is few reasons. There are some uh, comments over there. Autonomy mania, staff, writers, small business trends. This beat includes social media, general business reporting, and exploring how people relate to technology with the background of freelance. If writing is a contributor to their Teach website, can followed by the this. This is a great. I think the affiliate marketing in general should not be lumped with Amazon affiliate marketing. It is different to for there is a different way of doing things. Having separate guide and definitely helps. I did launch my affiliate marketing site and I was trouble making sales into do I do hope that after paying what you said will make my site better. Many thanks to you for sharing those tips. Last time when I joined the Amazon affiliate my account was terminated because I didn't had a single sale in 150 days. That's the policy, but I have no question. Suppose we made and sale 150 days. Will this policy continue for the next 150 days of our account will active lifetime? He admit, well, I am beginners with affiliate. Can you give me some advice? My account is signing for next step. I want to do my website and mobile apps. How can I make it? What's the tools required? Give me some extra examples and ideas. Create portfolio in affiliate. Can you help me to make website after making your account on Amazon affiliate? What should I do? Interesting ideas. I am new doing affiliate marketing and hope I can see the difference after trying for some your ideas. Many thanks. Other great post. Thank you for sharing your ideas about affiliate marketing. It helped me to a lot improving my site, make it effective. Thanks again. I found this article is really helpful. I have been blogging on or off for years, but this is my first time to try use affiliate. Many thanks. Love it all these tips. I have just started getting more into promoting affiliate products, and this will help me all the best. First, to say thanks for sharing the great article. Affiliate marketing is a good way to making money online. I am starting one of today. Many thanks. Great insights. I am not opposed to affiliate marketing. It can be good thing. So I done right. I did launch my affiliate marketing site, and I was having trouble making sales into it. I do hope after applying what you said it will make site better. Many thanks for sharing your tips. Great insights was we left no stone unturned. Great source of post of affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching. Let's make another video.